Hello and welcome to another episode of Moose's Gear Goo Review. I'm Moose, and today we're back at the unboxing table. Welcome to my channel. My name is Moose, and if you're interested in knives, gear, food, and tech for travel and outdoors, consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell notification button down below. That being said, we have an unboxing today. I did already take it out of the mail packaging. But I haven't taken it out of the packaging itself. This will be a quick one. And this is of a new product I saw hit the market a little bit ago. And it was on sale for the holidays, so I decided to pick one up. And that is from our friends over at Klymit. If you're not familiar with Klymit brand, they make lightweight backpacking, sleeping pads, and other camping gear for backpackers and just outdoors. And I have one of their sleeping pads, the Static V, I believe. It's probably one of the most popular sleeping pads out there. But cool brand, do a lot of things with inflatable stuff. So that brings us to this product. This is the Everglow Light Tube. Go Anywhere Inflatable Camp Lantern. And you can kind of see this picture here, this rectangular item with a cord. It got a USB cord and some sort of dongle there. I'll just read the packaging. Lightweight and flexible design offers a variety of lighting options. White LED light with a dimmer switch to easily control the intensity of light. Compatible with any USB power source. So it says 26 inches long. It's about 3.7 ounces. Pretty light, nice and light. It feels soft. 26 inches by 3 inches. Or 66 centimeters by 8 centimeters, and 0.3 millimeter TPU. Power source not included. Sleep outside. Got a little picture of backpacker, tent, car camping, and then 2-year guarantee. This must be the large size. I believe this is the large size that I got. It's designed in Utah, made in China. So I was going to use a knife. This is the Kershaw Launch 9. Awesome blade. Love this one. Probably one of the most practical launch designs out of them. But it has a tear strip, so we'll see if we can get into this just by tearing it oh so nicely, and voila. I do like that the packaging is pretty simple to open. And let's get our first look. Oh, I did not expect it to come in a little stuff sack, so we'll get rid of the packaging. Cool little cord, micro paracord with a little stopper there, and it says Everglow Light Tube. It's a nice little bag, and we'll pull it out, and here it is. It has like a rubbery plastic feel. You can see the one side is like a OD greenish color, has Klymit on the back. Got a little like hook strap there. That's pretty sweet. So there's probably a couple of different ways to suspend this or hook it on different places. And then you can see the LED light strip there. We have a cord dongle with a capped USB. And then we have some sort of dimming switch that looks like a power, and a dimming switches as well. I wouldn't be surprised if the power does it looks like there's an M in there for mode. So there might be like a flashing mode or something. Couple different modes. And then the inflatable part is here. Oh yeah. Don't let me forget. I want to shout out Vinny real quick. Sorry about that. Coworker Vinny, he made this for me, an awesome little 3D printed Bigfoot face. So super sick, turned out really nice. So we'll have to put it somewhere in the set there. So thanks, Vinny. Shout out to you. Awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna quick kind of figure out how this blows up. Got some funky little nozzle. Open it, give it a couple puffs. Let's see. Okay, so it took about one puff of air and we got it in there. So yeah, pretty sweet. I'm going to grab a charger real quick. All right, nice and easy. So we'll test this. It says it works with any USB. So I got a little Anchor power bank here. Love this thing. So uncap it. We'll say nice and light. You can see it has kind of like a frosted matte finish or look to it. So it's plugged in, it's powered on, and there we have it. I'll actually turn off some lights here so you can see. Let's see if we turns it off. So I'm holding the button, nothing really happened. So it looks like the power button is just on off. So it gets pretty dim there. Let's see. It gets pretty bright. Not necessarily the brightest thing, but for backpacking it does illuminate quite a bit, honestly. And it's really lightweight, so pretty cool. So this would be great for like a tent, or if you could suspend it above like a tarp of some sort, it'd be good. And just quick on off. So pretty sweet. Sorry the furnace came on, but there you have it. Nice lightweight, definitely a cool item that can be compact. And I think there's a way too, you can deflate it and then roll it up and then turn it on inside this little bag, and then I believe this actually becomes kind of like a lantern. But like I said, this is a quick little review. I do have to say there are some magnets on the back. I don't want to puncture this thing, but you can see that there's 3 magnets, so you could probably attach it to a car, on the side of a car, or any other metal things as well. So for like overlanding or car stuff, this might be really good. So pretty sweet item. I'm looking forward to kind of adding this to my kit and testing it out. I think this would be a really good kind of no permanent build, kind of car overlanding camper van type thing, or if you need like a wider light source for like a group camping outing, this might be good. So pretty sweet. So that is the Everglow Light Tube Large. So there you have it, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll leave links in the description below. Remember to check the eye in the upper right hand corner for the knife review of this guy. And yeah, I'm glad to be back. Be ready for the holidays. Good luck with all that, and I hope to bring you some more videos soon. Once again, shout out to Vinny. Peace, and I'll see you outside. Bye.